What happens when you put Mahu, Janesh, Mazel, and Noxolo Ngema in one studio? You already know it's going to be magic. These four powerhouses were recently spotted working on some brand new music, and the energy in that studio was unreal. We all know Janesh for her Likompo sound, that signature groove that gets the crowd moving every single time, but this time things are taking a different turn. Mahu, the queen of versatility herself, known for effortlessly jumping across genres, teamed up with Janesh and the talented producer Mazel, plus the soulful Noxolo Ngema, and guess what? The song they cooked up is under the three-step genre. Now that's something we didn't see coming. Janesh stepping out of her comfort zone, experimenting with three-step, it's definitely a bold move. But knowing her talent and ear for rhythm, there's no doubt she's going to bring that unique Likompo flavor into it, making it something fresh and different. And let's talk about Mahu. She's been dominating every track she touches lately. From Afro House to Amapiano to soulful vocals, she's proven she can own any genre. So her being part of this collaboration, that's the icing on the cake, if we're being honest. Then there's Mazel, the mastermind producer behind many hits, bringing his signature clean sound and deep bass lines to the mix. Add Noxolo Ngema's smooth vocals to balance it all out. And if you've got a track that's ready to shake the music scene, right, it has to be this one. From what I've heard so far, the track has that perfect balance between soulful vocals and energetic bounce, with that three-step sound three-step sound. It's something new, something different, and fans are already buzzing with excitement. TikTok. So what do you think? Is Janesh going to kill it on three-step? Are you ready to hear what this dream team has been cooking in the studio? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it. Because if this collab is anything like the energy we've seen in the studio, it's about to be a banger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the drop. Trust me, this one's going to be worth the wait.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.